Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. What question do you get asked the most for Ask the Guitar Coach podcast? Oh, so here's a good question. So, what is the most common question I get asked for Ask the Guitar Coach? And this has to be, what guitar should I buy for blah, 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 blah. So, someone who's just starting usually, and he's asking me what guitar should I buy for metal or for rock, or there's a variation to that question where the person will give me some more information. He will tell me what guitar can I buy if I want to play metal for $500, or even ideally if he tells me how long he's been playing or if he's a beginner or an intermediate. So this is the most common question I get. So this is a very rational question. I really don't mind answering it. It's a person that wants to make sure he doesn't do something really stupid before he even gets started, especially if we're talking about a total beginner. And I really want to help this person every single time. This is my goal with these videos, but I do need more information than just that he wants what is a good guitar, because there is no such thing. What is the best guitar? It's the best guitar or a good guitar for some specific situation. So several guitars that would be ideal, for example, to play country, would be a very, very poor choice to play death metal, and the other way around. A guitar that's absolutely great for gent or for death metal would be a very poor choice if you want to play country music. So you need to have more information than just, I want to buy a good guitar. What is a good guitar? If you're enjoying this show and you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, make sure you press subscribe right here, okay? And also press the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we release a new video. And now, let's go back to our regular episode. So I really wish this question would be usually supplemented with some more personal information, like what kind of music he wants to play, what is his budget, how many years has he been playing, does he practice a lot, does he want to be a professional musician, what is are his favorite guitar players and guitar-oriented bands, so that I can really tailor-make the answer to him, because otherwise a generic answer will only be moderately useful. I mean, you would get the same kind of answer if you do a Google search on a couple of decent guitar sites. But to use my experience to give you a really good answer, very, very useful, I will need to have this extra information, which is something that most people don't provide. However, I still enjoy answering this question because I know it helps someone out there, hopefully several people, get started on the right track. Meaning, instead of being just persuaded by marketing and sales speech of different guitar brands, if I answer this question, I will give them an answer that I know has worked for several hundreds of times in the past. So this is not a marketing answer, this is not a sales pitch, it's something that's going to be genuinely helpful for the individual guitar player who has asked this question. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep sending me your questions and I'll do my best to answer them in a future episode. Bye bye.